Okay, for 425, they want us to just write expressions. They don't want us to solve anything, right? So it says Geraldine, for A, it says Geraldine is 4 years younger than Tom. So they're saying use T for Tom. How old is Geraldine? So Geraldine, right, Geraldine is 4 years younger than Tom, so she would be T minus 4. And then it says Stephen is twice as old as Geraldine. How old would Stephen be? So Stephen is twice as old, so 2 times T minus 4. So you could leave it like that, or you could write it as 2T minus 8, but this is more understandable. Okay, for B, they said 150 people went to see Ode to Algebra, performed in the auditorium. If the number of children that attended the performance was C, how many adults attended? So clearly, if we had 150 total, and C of them were children, then 150 minus C would be the adults, right? I should have put adults at the beginning, right? So, are the adults, right? Okay, and then C says the cost of a new CD is $14.95. The cost of a video game is $39.99. How much would C CDs and V video games cost? So the total would be $14.95 times however many you had, plus $39.99 times however many video games you had.